So you have a new leopard gecko. Well, what do you do next? Let me show you how to put together the best terrarium for your new pet. Welcome to Serenity Belle Outdoors. Today I'll do a quick how-to for putting together a terrarium for a leopard gecko. First off, we have the UVB light, vitamins, and calcium with and without D3. You have the Reptile, which you want to do a mixture with some Reptile sand. I do about a 70-30 mix from soil to sand. Along that, you want to go ahead and add your moss. This is good to put in the reptile hide, which I will show you later. You also want to have your basking light to make sure that the leopard gecko stays warm. The other option is to use a heating mat, which will go under the terrarium. Digital thermometers are needed to check the temperature and also humidity levels for your tank. And there's our lampshade. It looks like we have everything together to get started. You also want to use a 40-gallon tank, and we'll get our mix of the soil and the sand. Once you have that mixed and put all together, we can start decorating. Take a look. While you're decorating, you want to make sure to put the hides in different spots and leave a good open space for the leopard gecko to be able to crawl around and dig. They truly enjoy that. Now we have the humid hide. For this, we'll put our moss at the bottom, and we'll want to spray water on it because this helps with the shedding of your leopard gecko to make sure it has a nice smooth transition when needed. Once you place the hide down, I go ahead and add a little bottle cap full of the calcium without the D3. The one with the D3 will be used to sprinkle on crickets. We'll then put some water on top of the humid hide just to keep sure that moss in the inside stays nice and moist. A water dish and food bowl can then be added. For the food bowl, I use that for mealworms. The crickets, I just let have free reign. A digital thermometer should be kept on each side of the tank because the one side you'll want to keep a little warmer than the other for basking. And there you go. Let your leopard gecko in so he can start exploring and have some fun. It's really fun and exciting to see them enjoying their new space. They are really curious little creatures, and they'll pick out their favorite spots going forward. As for care, I've noticed that leopard geckos, they like to find one spot to use the bathroom in, so that makes for very easy cleanup and care. We'll give this gecko more time to explore and enjoy the new space. When it comes time to feed your leopard gecko, you have many options. Dubia roaches, crickets, and mealworms I found to be favorites. Crickets are good for the thrill of the hunt. Dubia roaches are a little bigger, so I see they're more filling, and the mealworms are a nice little snack for your gecko. I do dust the feeder insects with the calcium that includes the D3, and that ensures the leopard geckos get the extra nutrients that are needed. When they are younger, they eat a lot more, just about every day or every other day for juveniles. Once they reach 1 year, that can decrease to 2 to 3 times per week. I decided to add a nice backdrop to the terrarium, and then I'm going to go ahead and add the UVB light and the basking lamp to the top so the left side can be the more hot, warm, humid side. And just like that, our 40-gallon terrarium is complete and ready for the new leopard gecko. They really are very easy to care for and are such a fulfilling pet to have and enjoy. And now you can get a little sneak peek of a leopard gecko having lunchtime and seeing how they really do have quite hearty appetites and enjoy those mealworms. He's such a cute little fellow. Well, this is the end of the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And please let me know if there are any other videos that you'd like me to do. Thank you so much for your time, and you have a wonderful day. Thank you.